the marvel of muscle and bone development. Understanding our body's frame. Imagine a complex machine operating flawlessly. This machine is our body, relying on a stunning partnership between muscles and bones. Muscles are the engines that power our movements, while bones are the sturdy framework providing support. Their development is a fascinating journey that begins in the womb and continues throughout our lives. At birth, babies have around 270 bones, many of which fuse together as they grow. This process illustrates how adaptable and dynamic our skeletal system is. Did you know that while babies have more bones, adults only have 206? This fascinating transition raises questions about how our bodies change and develop over time. Muscle growth and strength. Muscle development begins when we are still in our mother's belly. As we grow, our muscles get stronger through movement and exercise. When babies start to crawl, they are not just exploring. They are developing essential muscle control. Each stretch and kick builds the foundation for strength. However, muscle growth does not stop at childhood. As we reach adolescence, our bodies experience significant hormonal changes. Growth spurts during puberty can lead to dramatic increases in muscle mass and strength. This can be exciting, but it also leads to changes in muscle coordination and control. The role of nutrition. Nutrition plays a vital role in muscle and bone development. A balanced diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals fuels the growth process. For instance, calcium is crucial for bone strength, while protein is essential for building muscle. Inadequate nutrition can hinder development, leading to issues later in life. What many people may not realize is that hydration is equally important. Drinking enough water helps nourish the muscles and maintain their elasticity. Keeping hydrated can enhance your performance in sports and daily activities. Activity and movement. Regular physical activity is another critical factor in muscle and bone development. Activities like running, swimming, and weight training stimulate muscle growth and strengthen bones. When you exert pressure on your bones through exercise, they respond by becoming denser and stronger. In fact, did you know that people often believe lifting weights only builds muscles? In a surprising twist, weight-bearing exercises significantly improve bone density as well. This means that by lifting weights, you are not just shaping your body, but also fortifying your skeleton against fractures and osteoporosis later in life. The power of rest. Rest is often overlooked but is crucial for muscle and bone development. When we sleep, our bodies do much of their repairing and rebuilding. During rest, muscles recover and grow stronger. Without adequate sleep, our development can be compromised. Moreover, while rest is important, finding the balance between activity and recovery is essential. Too little activity can lead to weakness, whereas excessive activity without rest can cause injuries. Listening to your body and understanding when to rest is part of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Aging and changes in development. As we age, our bodies go through many changes. Muscle mass naturally declines, a phenomenon known as sarcopenia, which often starts around the age of 30. This gradual loss can make it easier to get injured if we do not keep active and prioritize strength training. Bones also become more fragile with age, leading to concerns like osteoporosis. To counteract these changes, Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key. Engaging in regular physical activity, eating nutritious foods, and staying socially active can help slow these age-related changes. Beyond physical development. The connection between muscle and bone development and overall well-being is profound. Engaging in regular exercise boosts your mood, helps reduce stress, and enhances sleep. The benefits of a strong body go beyond just physical appearance. They lead to a better quality of life. Understanding how muscle and bone development works invites us to take charge of our health. Whether you are a child growing up or an adult looking to maintain strength, recognizing the importance of care and activity is vital for longevity. Your personal journey. What role does physical fitness play in your life? Have you experienced changes in your muscles or bones as you've grown older? Your personal stories are valuable. They create a deeper understanding of how we can all improve our health. Each of us has a unique path in our development. By sharing our experiences, we learn from one another and become more motivated to take care of our bodies. Conclusion: embracing our bodies. In conclusion, the development of muscles and bones is a remarkable story of growth, strength, and resilience. As we admire the incredible machine that is our body, let us remember the vital role of nutrition, movement, and rest. Embrace your journey of strength and health. The choices you make today can lead to a stronger, more vibrant future. Cherish your body as the incredible structure that supports your life.